Hi, y'all. Okay, for writing this week, we are going to do a how-to writing. So since I can't be there with you, I'm sitting on my couch. I'm going to do a little quick lesson on how to do a how-to writing. Okay, so first, y'all are going to have a different topic every day. So I'm going to do the first one with you for you, how to brush your teeth. So first, you got to have your title at the top of your paper. How to brush your teeth. And we need to do step by step. We need to do first, next, then last, first, second, third, fourth, however you choose to do it. So I'm going to say how to brush your teeth. First, get your toothbrush and toothpaste out, can't spell, of the drawer or wherever you keep it. You may keep it on the counter. Second, or you could say next, second, I open the toothpaste and put toothpaste on the toothbrush. Third, or you could say then, I put water on the toothbrush and brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Last, I wash, how about rinse? Last, I rinse off my toothbrush and put in my toothbrush and toothpaste back in the drawer so my mom does not get mad at me. All right, and then you have to read it over. So, how to brush your teeth. First, get your toothbrush and toothpaste out of the drawer. Second, I open the toothpaste and put toothpaste on the toothbrush. Third, I put water on the toothbrush and brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Last, I rinse off my toothbrush and put my toothbrush and toothpaste back in the drawer so my mom does not get mad at me. And then you could have a closing sentence. That is how or you, I guess I said you, I don't know. That is how I brush, I can't spell today, brush my teeth. Now go brush your teeth. All right. If you have questions, let me know. All right. Bye. Okay. So after I read it over, I have your and I have I. So after I read it, I decided, I need to keep it the same. So how to brush your teeth. So first, get your toothbrush and toothpaste out of the drawer. Second, you need to come up here. Second, you need to, because I'm telling you how to brush your teeth. Second, you need to open the toothbrush and put toothpaste on the toothbrush. Third, put water on the toothbrush and brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Last, rinse off your toothbrush and put your toothbrush and toothpaste back in the drawer so your mom does not get mad at you. That is how to brush your teeth. Okay? So see, it's so important to read it over and make sure it makes sense and everything matches up. Okay. Now I'm good.